a UNESCO World Heritage Site, cherished for its thundering waters and diverse ecosystem. The proposed Victoria Falls Stadium has sparked intense debate, dividing opinions like the Zambezi River carves through the basalt rock. Proponents envision a world-class sporting venue attracting tourists and cricket fans, boosting local economies, and putting Zimbabwe on the global sports map. They highlight the potential for job creation, infrastructure development, and increased revenue from tourism. For them, the stadium represents a leap towards prosperity. However, there's another side to this coin, one etched with ecological concerns. Conservationists and environmental scientists voice serious apprehensions about the potential damage such a large-scale project could inflict on this delicate ecosystem. They fear the impact on wildlife, the potential for pollution, and the disruption of the natural water flow. Their plea is simple: protect this irreplaceable natural wonder. However, this optimistic vision hinges on a crucial factor: responsible development. The project's success, both economically and ecologically, depends on rigorous planning, transparent governance, and an unwavering commitment to minimizing the environmental footprint. The question remains, can these promises be kept, or will they be lost in the pursuit of profit? That's it for today on Zim News Live, YTS. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from our channel.